Alright, what's up everyone? It's Dave Stone with another exciting episode of Develop Awesome Skills, where I'm committed to providing inspirational and practical ways to transform your life and the world around you by planting fruit and medicinal trees. And today, I'm also talking about Moringa. I'm giving you another update on the Moringa bed, the intensive planting Moringa bed. 154 Moringas in 9 by 5 square feet. And that's like 45 square feet. 154 Moringas, and it's doing really well. I hope you're updated on the past videos of this intensive bed. I just did some recent videos harvesting this whole bed, drying it out in this huge dehydrator, and processing the leaves. I got about 6.5 pounds, I believe, fresh leaves, and I got 1.9 pounds of dry leaves out of it. So it's a cool ratio. You could do the math, multiply this times a whole farm field, and you can see how much production you can get in only 3 months from seed. So it's an amazing tree. It's only been this many days since I processed all of this Moringa, chopped it all down, and now it's growing back. And let me show you how well it's growing back. All right, it's been a few days since I topped this. Look at all these nice little new sprouts coming up. Look at all these guys go. Tons of branches coming in, and all of these back here. So it's doing really well. It's only been a few days, and it's starting to come back, and all the little ones that weren't getting any sun are now doing really well, and they have a little jump start now to try to get established before the big ones take over again. So that's nice. And look at this one go. So many branches. So now this bed is really going to bush out, which I'm excited about too. It is August 21st right now, and check out this little Moringa bed after I chopped it down. It's really exploding again. It was just sticks here a little while ago, and now it's just doing so well. Coming right back. I mean, look at these really thick branches coming up off of here. Very full. This one's got so many branches coming out of it. These little ones that I let get some sun, they're growing up tall, so they're gonna be able to get some light, get a little stronger. And some of these just, I mean, look what happens when you top it. 1, 2, 3, 4 big branches coming up out of here. Just this one. So we're gonna be getting a lot of Moringa. This second harvest is gonna be so much more. All these Moringas on this side, topping it, 1, 2, 3, 4 branches coming up. So I'm really excited about this bed. So I'll show you how long it's been since I planted this from seed. I'm pretty sure it's only been about less than 4 months from seed. I just recently trimmed it, and now it's coming back so strong, so fast. I'm very excited about this bed. I already got almost 2 pounds of powder out of it from seed after only 100 days. So we're gonna see how many pounds I get on this next round. Very excited. And yes, that is my AC up there blasting and blaring. I have a loud AC when it runs. As you can see, this bed is just growing so fast again. And all these little Moringas that were too weak to come up under the canopy have now had enough sunlight to start getting tall and strong, and they are going to be part of the forest. But this has really popped. It is already at least 3 feet tall everywhere. And some of these are really just, look at this. Look at the trunk on this thing. Nice thick branches coming out here after I topped it right there. And let's come in here. There's our cluster. Really nice thick trunk right there. But it's looking so amazing. You've been watching the updates on this moringa bed grown the whole time since seed, and it's probably been 4 months from seed, and I'm already coming into that second harvest. Now, this bed is going away. I thought it was gonna be going away at the end of summer, but it's actually gonna be going away much sooner than that, because this area is gonna be my new workshop. Right next to my house here, I'm gonna build a big workshop that I can build stuff in, I can paint in, I can do whatever I want in there, and I'm gonna have a roof deck on top. That's my plan anyway, so I can look at the mountains when I'm up there. And this bed is in the way of that right now. So this bed's coming out, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna unscrew this whole bed. I'm gonna move the wood somewhere else, and I was gonna bare root all these trees over winter, but what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna come up to the front yard here, and I'm gonna take you up there right now, and I'm gonna plant a wall of moringas, and I'm gonna try to interweave the wall together. So as it grows, it kind of just actually becomes a moringa wall. So I'm gonna do that experiment also with these roots. So I'm gonna pull these roots up gingerly, and I'm going to transplant them on the other side of the house. So let me show you this side before I do the job so you can see what I'm gonna do. All right, as I come around the corner here, my cantaloupes are doing amazing. And this banana actually is getting so heavy from the storm and all the wind pushing it down. But it's also getting heavy because there's literally bananas coming in. Ice cream bananas. I am so excited. All right, so let's come on over here. Look at this watermelon plant go. It is an ancient watermelon. I think I got a couple popping up down in there. So I'm excited, tons of flowers. As I come out my backyard, now this is entering my front yard where, look at that castor bean, it's going huge. This is the area where I want a little fence. And you can see all the Bermuda grass here. I've been putting cardboard down. You can see where pockets are. It starts coming up through the cardboard. But you can see when it's really thick wood chips, it's not coming through. So, you know, we gotta live with this Bermuda. But right here, I wanna put a wall, right, like halfway down. So I'm gonna come around here. Here's my Pakistani mulberry doing really, really well this year. All my sugar cane that I need to harvest. And then my front yard looking good, but bananas over there. Now this isn't gonna be I gotta build a nice gate here or something here. I haven't figured that out yet. If you have any ideas, put them in the comments below what kind of a gate I should put here. I kind of want something where I can take a wheelbarrow through it, but something that looks nice, something that I can open all the way up if I need to bring something wider through. So I'm just processing what to do there. But right here, I'm gonna build a wall that comes all the way down to about halfway. I'm just gonna dig a trench, and I'm gonna plant moringas probably every 8 inches, those moringas in the bed. And I'm gonna let them grow. And then as they grow sprouts, I'm going to interweave those branches, and we're gonna see what happens. So that's my plan for the moringa bed. Let me know what you guys think about that plan. If you have any suggestions, if you made your own moringa wall, let me know how you did it, because I'm about to do this project and I'd like to have some input from all my moringa people out there, because moringa is such an amazing tree. You can literally do anything you want with it. You can shape it any way you want. So I'm gonna really try to make this wall happen, because if we can make moringa walls, that's a big deal. Because why have a block wall when you can have a living wall that you can eat? So a lot of thoughts, a lot of processing going on, but let me know in the comments what you think about my moringa wall and what I'm gonna do with the intensive bed. If you like it, let me know. If you think there's a better way or something else cool to do for a wall here, a living wall, you know, let me know that too. But I really think I'm gonna try this moringa experiment. So I wanna know what you guys think about it before I do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, throw them down below. And I really wanna say thank you so much to all my subscribers and all my Patreons. You guys mean the world to me. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button below and hit the little bell icon right now. If you haven't become a Patreon yet, Patreon's a place where you can support your favorite artists. I'm an artist. I'm just basically living my mission of changing the world with Moringas and allowing people to grow spiritually, mentally, and physically through the ownership of an amazing garden that you created yourself. That's my mission. That's my vision. I'm obsessed with Moringa trees, as you all know. But thank you so much to all my Patreons who are already supporting me. And if you do want to become my supporter on Patreon, go to patreon.com/developawesomeskills and help me plant more trees, get a cool pair of shades, and get your name in the end of these credits. So until next time, develop awesome skills. I love you all.